My name is Sally Penturner, and I'm the chapter leader for the Worldwide Nutrition Education nonprofit Weston A. Price Foundation. We started the Farm to Consumer Legal Defense Fund, which works on improving access to local fresh foods purchased direct from the farm. We have over 3,000 influential supporters around the state of Virginia. Our members are health practitioners, farmers, and health-conscious consumers. We work on farm freedom issues around the U.S., from an oyster farm in California being shut down by the act of the federal government to heritage breed hogs being banned in Michigan by a state agency. The willingness of regulators to close down productive enterprises is shocking, especially in this economy. All around North America, the emerging sector of artisan producers and true organic farms is being shackled by overregulation from publicly funded agencies. It is difficult to make a full-time living from farming in the current regulatory climate. Most also have to hold down off-farm jobs. Our organizations are in support of direct trade between farmer and consumer, and we object to any laws that interfere with this relationship. We support HB 1430 for the increased opportunities it provides farmers to make full-time living on the farm while strengthening the local food systems and rural communities in the process. Passage of this bill will make communities more self-sufficient in food production at a time when food security is becoming a bigger issue. HB 1430 can make the farm a hub of local commerce and culture. It will give farmers the freedom to thrive and keep more money circulating in the community. Our government officials must practice the golden rule, do unto others as you would have them do unto you, when it comes to serving our citizens. Too often, agencies are meting out punishing fines and callously shuttering businesses at the behest of special interests. We believe HB 1430 will protect property and constitutional rights of all our state's farming citizens. The U.S. News and World Report last week wrote that the largest growth segment in farming between 2002 and 2007 were the hobby farmers, where sales are under $10,000 a year. This segment of the market represents the future farmers of America. Virginians can't afford to smother these farms in their infancy and not allow them to grow to maturity. I would be willing to bet that many of today's big profitable farms started out small. With an aging farmer population, we need to germinate, fertilize, and harvest our future prosperity. Please support HB 1430. This is an important farm freedom and economic opportunity bill. Virginia Tech's Cooperative Extension estimates that if families will patronize local farms and home food preparation businesses, we can stimulate our local economy to the tune of $1.65 billion. This bill will increase access to locally produced foods for the consumer, and we urge you to vote for food freedom. Thank you.
Thank you.